Hey, Jim Munchback here from Family Wealth Builder in Houston, and I'm going live with a new tool. This is really just a test. I'm posting this video today through ECAMM Live. I'm on a trial basis, so you can see right there over my shoulder the advertisement for ECAMM Live. This is an alternative product to Wirecast. It's much less expensive. The functionality and the features are a couple of things. They're very easy to use. ECAMM Live is incredibly easy to use, but it doesn't have near the functionality that we have with Wirecast. On the other hand, it appears to be, incredibly reliable in terms of streaming. Now, I'm saying that as I don't even really know for sure. But this is a test drive, so let me go do a little testing. First thing I'm going to do is take a peek at Facebook. And one of the things that was really cool about Wirecast is I could have my iPad Pro displayed next to my face in the shot, which was really cool. But that was one of the problems also, because when I would switch a shot, make any changes, somehow the API would zap the stream, and I'm not a technical guy, but it would basically cause the live stream to end or be disrupted, and that screwed up the videos. So Wirecast became a very frustrating tool, and I won't go into all the details because there are a lot of details. But anyway, so I'm trying out this new tool, getting ready for the new semester at the University of Houston. I'll be doing live broadcasts for the class in personal finance, how to become a millionaire by age 50. So I'm excited about that. Got some great content to deliver on some of these channels. But here's what I want to do. I want to see if we're live right now. We should be live. Hey, we are. So there it is. There's a little delay, so I'll hold that up and I'll see how long it takes for this one finger to show. I think it will show pretty quick, unless that's the previous one. So this iPad's kind of heavy, and I'm not sure. Testing. I'm going to look. I'll tell you when. Yeah, that's not working. That's not the live video. That was a video I did live earlier. Dadgummit. So that means we're not streaming, at least not to this page. Bummer. So we could be streaming to some other pages, but let me go check and see. Restream. Let's see if I can. Dashboard. Yep, it says we're online, so not sure why it's not showing in my Facebook page. I'm looking at my Facebook page, and I'm just looking at Certified Financial Planner Houston. There we go. Now it's live. I guess I just needed to refresh the page. Now I need to get back to the I'm still curious how much delay we have, so I'm going to wave. There we go. So you see how much delay we have. I don't think there's anything we can do about that, nor should we. But if you're watching this video, if you'll do me a favor and just leave a comment, let me know about the volume and the audio and the video quality. The lighting where I'm sitting right now is really pretty terrible. For video, it's terrible. It's a great space to be sitting in. I could close all those blinds, but it would just make the place more dark. And I have some open windows in that direction. Actually, it's in that direction. Here, let me turn my camera. I'm just going to show you the place. So I'm turning the camera into the corner, which is, I close those blinds just to, make it less bright on my screen. And there we have the University of Houston. I think that's 2. I'm in building 4 here at the old Schlumberger location. So that's the picture outside my window. As you can see, it's not the most beautiful site, but it's not bad. But then on the other side, it's much better. And I should open those blinds to show it. But it's basically a much better look. Hey, let me see. I'm going to show you the whole office here while I'm playing around. Let's see if you can just get a picture, an overview of the whole office. So this is my office space. It's an awesome place. What I love most about it is it's empty today. And I'm at one of these cubicles in the corner, and I can use any space. And that's my space right there. That's another cubicle with another Big Mac, which I use for producing videos and whatnot. I'll give you a better tour in a future video, but it's a great wide space. Over there in the corner, back in that corner, is a great conference room. I have 3 open conference rooms. Let me see if I can give you a better view. So yeah, there's 2 conference rooms back in that corner, and you see those windows all along the way over my computer. And there's more desks or cubicles, workspaces, gathering spaces. I like to sit over there in the corner and enjoy those couches. They're great. So that's kind of a quick overview. Let me get my camera back. I'll show you my camera setup. So I'm holding my camera, but this is it's not going to come out too good, but I know I'll see if I can turn my other camera. I'm playing now, sorry. Okay, so let's get this wherever it needs to be. Sorry about all that. So now I'm looking for some comments. I'm going to go check YouTube now. I think I was on, go to my channel. So one thing I like about ECAMM is it's reliable. And I love Restream. Restream has been a great tool. So what I'm doing right now, I'm using ECAMM, ECAMM Live, which is a free 14-day trial. I'm just test driving this software, getting ready for the semester to start. And I have another technology partner. It's called Restream.io. And what that lets you do is post live streams to multiple channels. So I have 6 different YouTube channels, and I have, I believe, 8 Facebook pages, different, themes, different ideas, different things, and I have 2 Facebook groups. So occasionally it's helpful to be able to post content to all those places at the same time, but most of the time it's not really the way it works. But it is cool to have that capacity. So if we had a major event, or like a Hurricane Harvey or something where everyone in all those channels might be interested, then it'd be really easy just to click, click, click and stream live to all the channels at the same time. Most of the time, though, I'm creating videos for specific purposes, and today I'm just doing a test. So it looks like it's coming through on YouTube with pretty good quality. The camera I'm using is a Logitech Webcam, very, very, very simple, inexpensive camera. Gives a pretty good quality. The biggest problem in all of my videos is I've not figured out a way Okay, I'm doing video number 2 now, live from Houston. I'm doing a test drive of ECAMM live, and I just figured out that if I go 10 minutes, it just shuts me down. So apparently that's part of the free trial version. So it is what it is. Anyway, I just wanted to come back and mention why I got cut off. So 10 minutes is it. I'm going to shut things down now and go check it out on the channels. Before I do that, though, I'm going to see if I can, yes, I can make changes to the camera. That's my iMac camera. I don't like that camera, but it's nice to know you can switch cameras. I wanted to do also, I'm going to try adding a countdown overlay. Hey, look at that. If you need to edit the text, okay, I don't know why the 920. Oh, that's the countdown text because that's pretty cool. It tells me how much time I have before they shut me down, and I can make that bigger. Let me see now. I want to see if I'm still on Facebook. That's kind of cool, actually. So here we go. I think I am. Problem is, I never know. I've got 3 or 4 live videos playing today, and they all look the same. So when I grab a live video right now on Facebook, I got to make sure I'm using the right one, which I am now because I have the timer. Hey, that's kind of cool too because it shows, hi Loretta, I appreciate you saying hello. Looks like you're on Facebook. Hey, you're doing great. I'm not going to tell everybody why, but you're awesome. You and Stan. So thanks for your comment. That's kind of cool too about ECAMM. I didn't set that up, and yet I'm getting a post or a comment from my Aunt Loretta in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So back what was I saying? Oh, I didn't set up that Facebook feed. This tool did that automatically. That's cool. And this timer is pretty cool too. So I kind of like that. I don't use a timer with my other software, but it could be really helpful, especially in this case where, I literally do only have 7 minutes and 29 seconds before I get cut off. So this tool right now, I'm feeling pretty good about it. I do hope to get a little more input about the audio quality, but everything else is just remarkable to me how it is. It's so easy. Like I turn it on and it works. And it works with Restream, which means I'm not using a lot of bandwidth to actually post a live stream to multiple locations, including Facebook, multiple pages, and YouTube, multiple channels at the same time. That's crazy. It's crazy to me. Now, I've been going 3 minutes and 47 seconds, according to this little indicator up here, which tells me I have 6 minutes and 36 seconds. I like that. That's kind of cool. So you can see here my logo, familywealthbuilder.com. If you don't mind, tell me what you think about that. That's new. That's a new logo, and I kind of did that myself with a little help from a fellow somewhere, I think in the Philippines, somebody that I met along the way. That's a whole nother story. Anyway, let me see now. I've got all these options that I want to play with and see if I can do things on the run. So one is called overlays. So the first thing I did was I took this countdown overlay. I clicked on it, and it automatically gave me a countdown for the actual time that I have remaining on the video. I like that. Now I'm going to do a new text overlay. Let's see what happens. And text, I'm just going to say text overlay, and I'm going to add it. And and I'm not doing any kind of, so I didn't fiddle with the font. Let's see if and it looks like that just showed up. That's pretty cool that you can make changes on the fly. So I'm going to edit that now. I'm going to pick my favorite font, which is Palatino Linotype. Actually, I like Palatino better. So let's save that. Palatino. Let's make it a little bigger. 72 is pretty big, but let's go 80. Now let's see if I can put color, shadow. I want to see what kind of background I can put on it. Let's try a different color background to go with my logo a little bit. Kind of, sort of. It's close. Let me see if I can get my exact color for my logo. Background color. Yeah, it doesn't look like... Oh, look at that. It'll let you... I can get my microphone. Same color as my microphone. Anyway, that's cool. So I was able to do... Now, when you look at the stream, I just noticed it says Multistreaming with Restream.io. So one of the drawbacks is I got to go in and change that. And if right now I'm posting this to 2 Facebook pages, Certified Financial Planner Houston, and I think Wealth Advisor Career, and also I'm posting it to YouTube live at Powered by Purpose. That's one channel that one of my favorite, the channel I use the most, and then Wealth Advisor Career. So that's 4 places. One problem is I got to go and change that now, edit the post in each of those, because they like to advertise their product, and that's the default. So I have to fix that. That's a little extra work. I don't like extra work. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see. Back to overlays. We can do a new movie overlay. That's kind of cool. This is cool. So now I can, watch this, I can hide all scene overlays. With one click, they all went away. That's kind of cool. Watch this. I just put up a big image, so that covered the whole screen. I can, one by one, let these other overlays come back in. There's a different logo for another project, so I can eliminate that, close it, and so that's kind of cool. Let's see what other overlays are available. Countdown. Oh, new movie overlay. Here you go. This will be interesting. I want to see if I can do this. I'm going to add a video. Let's see. I don't know. I'm going to try this. I'm scared to try this. Let's give it a whirl. Add animated overlay. Are you sure that you want to add this file as an animated overlay? Animated overlays do not include audio. I think I will... I don't know how to get out of there now. Add overlay. Okay, there you have it. I could make that more. So that's an old video, and I hate watching myself on video. At least I don't have to listen. So I'm going to hit delete, and that's gone. So that's cool. You can actually add video on the fly. That's pretty cool. What else? That's about it. That's all the overlays that we have. So I guess I missed Loretta. You're probably still not there, or not still there, which is fine. I didn't expect anybody to watch this live stream. I have 51 seconds, 50 seconds, so count down with me if you're there, Loretta. I think that's it. So text overlay, I'm going to change that to just